Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Yum Brands. So, Yum Brands are fast food, basically. They own Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, KFC. They used to own Long John Silver's, which is kind of a weird thing. They don't anymore, obviously. So, current price is $93.37, which gives them a market cap of $28 billion. So obviously not a huge company, even with all those chains under them. Current dividend yield just over 2% with a payout ratio of 48%, which isn't terrible, but it's definitely not great. Revenue $5.6 billion, slightly down. Earnings $1.3 billion, also slightly down, which gives them a PE of 26 with a forward PE of 31, which is not a great thing. PE of 26 would make you hope that there's significant growth, and I don't really see that here. Total assets $5.2 billion, total liabilities $13.2 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of negative $8 billion. So obviously things could be going better here. Overall, I really don't like companies with a negative stockholders' equity, especially when it's so huge in the negative. Revenue of $5.6 billion with a stockholders' equity of negative $8 billion, which means they would have to have 100% margin, and then it still will take them over a year to get to zero. So, not a great thing for me. So obviously for a growth investor, there is no growth, and it's actually going negative, and that is a problem. For a dividend investor, dividend is not that high, and the balance sheet is obviously terrible, so I don't think there's anything for you here either. For a value investor, the balance sheet cannot really be ignored, and so there's other things that bother me. Obviously, PE of 26 and a forward PE of 31 is a huge problem. Revenue declining is a huge problem. Earnings declining is obviously even more of a huge problem. The dividend does not make up for any of that. So overall, I would say that you shouldn't buy the stock in pretty much any situation ever, especially when there's so many better deals out there. That's it from me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.